Hello everybody, this is Joanne Perry. For those who don't know me, I live in Moncton, New Brunswick. This is in Canada. And I'm doing this video. I'm going to do it in two parts because I have a pretty new puppy here and she doesn't leave me alone very long. So I'm going to try it in little, little sections. So today, all I wanted to show you is one of our kits. So if you go on our website on Stampin'Jo.stampinup.net, that's for my website. If you look in shop in the category online exclusives, you can see products that you're only available online. You won't see them in the catalogs, or you can go in the online kits, kits collection, the category, and you will find all kinds of kits like this that has everything you need in this cute little box to make the projects as on the picture that you see online. So if you click on each kit, you will see a picture of all the contents like this, so that you know what you get in this kit. So some of them are with stamp sets to do the greetings, and some of them have pre-printed greetings on them. So this one is the it's called Painted Wishes, sorry. And this one, it's all they are with the tags that are already written, but you can easily change them, make a circle, let's say, or a tab, and use any stamp sets you have at home. But they're available in different languages. You can get one kit has all 4 languages, so it's good for if you're French, English, there's German and Dutch, so all in one kit. You make the same cards, but there's different tags for the different languages. So I'm going to show you. I'm going to start off with that. I'm going to open the kit. I already cut this open. So this first time I take everything out. So it's just a surprise for me. I've had it for over a month and I've been saying I got to do it. So this is what I'll do. So I'm going to start out by showing you the contents and how our kits work. So, and plus for each kit that we sell, Sarah, the CEO, she does a video showing all the steps. So any kit you see, you can find a video on there as well. And she will show you how she puts the kits together. So she's done every one of them, which is nice because I'm more visual. Like sometimes I look at the pictures or the instructions and I get a little confused. So I like going back and watching her videos. So it's pretty nice. So this one here, it'll show you the steps. So there's 3 different cards. Sorry if there's a shadow. There's 3 different designs. And there's 3 of each design. So you end up with 9 cards and the cute envelopes that you see here. They are printed. There's a nice little design on them. And inside it'll say number 1, number 2, and number 3. And it'll tell you the steps for each card. It's pretty self-explanatory if you look at it like here. So as you saw, let's see, let's take this out. Show you the contents. And I'm gonna move the box so that we have more room. Okay. So you see the adhesive, they have the double-sided tape, and there's some twine, the gold twine. So on here, it'll show you, okay, behind your green piece, you'll put, and it shows the roll of the double-sided tape. So you'll put 3 strips, and then you'll put that one on top of your green, and it'll show you dimensionals for when you need to pop up your elements. And sometimes it'll just be glue dots, so it depends on the kit, but they show everything on there. So that's what's really cool. So if you, and this is another thing I like the idea of, is if you want to get together with some friends and just, you don't need a teacher with you. So if you just want to get together, have a glass of wine or some coffee and say, let's get together, make some cards. These kits are really good because you don't need a lot of space for it. You got everything you need to make the cards here. And one could be in charge of looking at the instructions and telling the rest of the group, or you can ask me to come over and help you guys. So we can do that. So this is what you get. So all the envelopes are the same. There are 9 envelopes, so they're like this. I love that color. That's Pretty Peacock. And then we have the pieces for the cards. So you can tell there's that. And there's this one. There's 3 of them. And then you get your card bases. So if you go look at the picture, shows you the peach colored for the card base, the Pretty Peacock for that one, and this one looks like it's the printed one. So let's see, this would be, yeah, that would be this one here. So that's the card base here. So you would fold that in half and make the card. You just add all the stuff on there. And then we've got the peach ones. This is your card base, so you should have 3 of them. Yep. White on the other side. And this is, what is this? Is this, this looks like, oh gosh, petal pink. Hold on. Let me look at my colors again. Of course, it's in one of my my class baskets. Oh, well, maybe it says there. Petal pink, that's what it is, petal pink. So that's that card base. And then we got the Pretty Peacock card bases. And then these are the elements for it. So there's these here. So as you can see, that would be this one here, right? Nope, this one is that one. Except it's the first time I opened my my box. This one is here, and the clothes is the wash is dried. That's my alarm for when it's done. And look at the nice tags. So like I said, if you want to do it in English, thank you for your kindness, or in French, un grand merci pour ta gentillesse. And it's like a shine. And I can't read those languages. I wouldn't even try. But there should be 3 for each. So you got 1 for each card. So if you have any Dutch friends or German friends, just send them a nice card in the mail and add those extra tags in them. You could do that for all 3 of them. This one, it says, wishing the happiest birthday to you. Que du bonheur pour ton jour de fête. And the other 2. And we have this one. Let's see which one's English. Oh, right here. I feel so blessed to have a wonderful, kind, and amazing friend like you. J'ai de la chance que tu fasses partie de ma vie. Un grand merci pour tout. So these are really nice. I like that. So that's what the content of the kits are. And oh, when I forgot the bling. Look at the nice little sequins. And they have the glue in the back of them. They're adhesive back gems. So that's in Pretty Peacock. And then you get, when you need dimensionals in your kit, it even comes with that. So you basically just need your regular snail, like the adhesive, if you use liquid glue or the tape runners, and a pair of scissors. But most of the time, you got everything else in there. So, and then you get those cards. So I'm gonna pause this video now and see when I will do the samples. If I knew my dog would be good for a while, she's eating a little treat that a customer of mine brought today. It's something to chew on for a while, but she had a piece of it today and she took like 10 minutes and it was gone. So that's why I don't dare doing the whole cards. But this is it. that's what we'll do after. I'll show you how to make each of these cards. Okay, we'll be right back.